Hey guys, I'm gonna be playing some Roblox because this kid wants me to.
They could bite you? Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
Oh crap, man. Then talk.
I guess we'll wait. Let's see my recent.
Hold on, I'm gonna see if my iPad's not crappy. Don't sing like you Taylor Lewis. I like it when you go crazy.
Yeah, this guy sings for some reason. Don't know why.
Copyright. What Carson, can I join you?
You can try. So we're gonna be playing some build battle.
Okay. Okay. Now where is the? How do I join you again?
Just go to start. Just wait for it to say join. Wait, refresh your page.
Where?
Wait, search my name again. Okay, boy.
No, I don't know how. You have to do it.
Just search my name.
I don't know how to.
Look, there's a search thing right there, and then you type in my name.
I don't want to. I forgot how to spell it.
It's right there at the top.
I'm kidding.
Right. Okay.
C with C. Does everybody know you're a kid?
Don't.
Oh, I thought they thought you were like 25 or something.
Why would they think that?
Cause you're huge. That's why.
What do you mean huge?
You're taller than me, I tell you.
Well, I mean, I thought you were meaning like fat huge.
Oh.
Do you mean that?
No.
Yes, you do.
I mean like you're tall.
I don't know how to build no cowboy.
Hey.
I don't know what color shirt they wear for that. This kind of looks more like...
You do it! It's your name!
This kind of looks more like a Pizza Hut guy.
What are you doing?
I'm building a cowboy, yeah.
Do you even know who I am? Do they even know who I am?
No.
Then you should introduce me.
This is Kendall. You all can't see him.
No.
That's Kendall.
Hi. Hi. Yeah! And I'm always a hand that pops up in the picture.
And
you've seen me in 2 videos probably. They're actually new from this day, so you probably haven't seen them.
Nobody's probably even watching this video.
I hope they are though. I'm probably gonna watch it. 'Cause I'm subscribed. I subscribed to my video with you, obviously. I left you my comment.
Alright, let's see what place we get, boys.
Is that close? Can we do Ripple mini games?
Ripple mini, yes sir.
Can you look it up? Ripple mini games?
Yeah, in a minute. What type of material are they using? That's not a cowboy though.
What's that? Oh, here's this.
Oh, that's probably that one fork guy or whatever. Oh,
I'm so sorry if my voice sounds like a baby.
Dang, bro, that's good. They built a freaking horse but I only had 2 minutes, so I couldn't do anything.
Is that you?
No, that wasn't me.
You get a theme?
What?
You get a theme.
A theme?
Yeah.
Yeah, the theme was cowboy.
Okay.
That was my cowboy. Look how bad that is.
That's terrible.
You're supposed to cheer me up.
Sorry!
Sophie's right behind you. Better.
Is it DT?
Mm-hmm. Person DT.
Okay. Capital DT?
It doesn't matter the DT. It's just typing question DT. It doesn't matter if it's capital or not.
I'm doing capital.
He's still typing that in, guys.
making me do this
Same
again?
thing. Huh?
Are you making me do this again?
Do what?
Like, type in caution TT.
Look, you want to play with me?
Yeah.
So,
Please friend me. I have a YouTube channel too. Go check out mine.
what's your YouTube channel? Oh,
What you call it? Joseph Helides. It used to be my dad's, but now it's mine. I would have named it something completely different. Just saying.
alright guys,
I'm
I'm gonna get going.